guys, this is VAMSI back in the development of Windows as well as Android app development. This is part 2 of my Windows phone app development. So in this video I am going to develop two featured apps right now. So I am going to demonstrate and show how to code in C#. So go to start menu and find out Visual Studio. I am using Visual Studio for developing my apps, so it will take some time to load Visual Studio. There you go, Visual Studio is open right now, and now I am going to develop Windows 8 phone app using C# as my code behind file and XAML as my designer file. I am going to click on file, new project. So I am using Visual C# as my code behind file, and I want to develop Windows phone apps. So I am going to click on Windows phone apps, and I am naming it as app 1. Make sure that create directory for solutions is being clicked on, and just click on OK. It will take some time to load all the toolbars and consoles. Let us wait for a few minutes. So this is the main console that you are seeing. This is the designer view, and this is the XAML editor where we are going to code in XAML as well as in C#. So if we observe over here, our console right over here. So this is the Solution Explorer window. In this Solution Explorer window, we will get to know all the different files right over here. So click the arrow over here. So as soon as you click arrow over here, you can note that CS app.xaml.cs is used as my code behind file over here right now. So I am using XAML as my designer file, and as well as C# as my code behind to code my apps and to see how it works. So I'm just changing some contacts right now over here. So I'm going to change the app name to my app. As soon as you change the code in XAML, it will reflect in the designer view. You can observe it, and page name to be main. So I have changed the app name to my app and page name to main. So now I am going to develop a small app for demonstration of Windows 8 phone app development. So I am going to have a text box. So that you can see easily. I'm going to have a text block right over here, and I'm going to have a text block on my designer view. So this is the text block. I'm going to expand it a little bit over here, and I'm going to have a button. So click over here and click button. So I'm going to have a button. So this is the button. So click on text block and maximize this properties window right over here. You will get the properties of button text block. So I am naming this text block as text box 1, and I am leaving this text block to be empty, and input scope, I want the input scope to be only numbers. That means we must enter only numbers. Other than those we cannot enter. Toggle it out. So input scope is only numbers. So next, go to this view, pull it on top, click here and change this orientation to portable or landscape, so that as you rotate your phone, this text block all gets rotated. Now click on text block, and I am going to name it as text block TBK1 text block. Okay, I named text box as TBX1 and text block as TBK1, and I want this text to be welcome. So these are the changes we made right now. So I am clicking on button. Let us modify the same in button. So in this button I am code being done. So we are going to name this as BTN button 1. So we are naming it as button 1, and content to be go. Let's caps log it out. Go. So go. So now I am going to code this app in C#. So click on go, double click on go. So I want text block. So what I so just click on here. This is click on this. This name is TBK. So go over here, click TBK1 dot text. TBK1 dot text plus equals. So I want TBK1 dot text is equal to. So I want to get information from right over here, this text box TBX1. So go over here, TBX1 dot text and add a semicolon over here. So this is the app. Go to main console. Now we have coded in C# and we used XAML to code designer file. Right now I am clicking on emulator to start running this or debugging this code right now. So this is the Windows phone right now. This is a virtual device that I am using for debugging the code right over here. So this is the phone, and now I am going to test my app right over here. Just go back. It is taking too long to load. So there you go. This is my app. Now I am going to enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So saving orientation. And click on OK. See, welcome 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I use input scope to be only numbers, so it is taking only numbers. Now let us change a code little bit, and so that we can have some knowledge. See that, change this again, delete this all these numbers and enter 8, 5, 4, 3, 2. Just click OK. Welcome 8456. So let us change the code a little bit and let us see how it works in our phone. Click over here, Windows phone, shut it out right now. So I am going to text box over here, clicking text box right now, and I am going to properties. So text blocks, and I am going to change this to number scope to, I'm going to change this number scope to default. So something default. So I'm going to change this to some default. Now I'm going to run emulator right now over here. Again, emulator right now. It will load. It will take some time to load over my phone right over. So let us wait for some time. Okay. Designer window is opening right now. It is taking a little bit long. There you go. It has opened. Just now I will test this app right now. Just back over here. There you go, reloading our design. Okay, let me enter VAMSI and enter VAMSI. Go. Welcome VAMSI. Congrats, you have downloaded a bad boy, and you can sell this bad boy on Windows 8 store. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to develop many apps, small apps, browser apps, and many. I'm going to show all these to you. Hope you understand my video, and please subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video on YouTube channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like my video, click like, and if you want to share my video, click share to share my videos. I'm going to make more and more videos for students and as well as developers to get some knowledge of app development in Windows as well as Android app development. You can share your ideas to me on my website VAMSI krishna007.tk. This is my website. which we have developed using big software. So this is the website. You can share your ideas by going to contact and by filling your name, email address, subject and message, what type of message you want to, and if you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me, and by clicking your email address, subject and message, I am able to answer to your mails. So you can follow me on my blogspot, that is a website, Tectotronics, and you can follow me on Facebook, and you can follow me on YouTube. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like my video, subscribe to my video, click like at the bottom of my video, and share my video if you like. So this is my website, so you can have the download links to the Visual Studio 2030 as well as key, as well as the true working key, which works very fine. Thank you guys, thanks for watching, have a nice day.